Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to learn questions on all countries, their capitals and then currencies. And after watching this video, you will never find another videos because we have explained in a very simple manner that anyone can understand it very easily. Just note down all the data and learn, practice and revise these questions. And if you found our efforts helpful, please support us by subscribing to our channel. So by not wasting your valuable time, let's get started. Our first country is Afghanistan. Afghanistan's capital is Kabul and its currency is Afghani. Next country is Algeria. Algeria's capital is Algiers and its currency is Algerian dinar. Our next country is Angola. Angola's capital is Luanda and its currency is Kwanza. Our next country is Argentina. Argentina's capital is Buenos Aires and its currency is peso. Our next country is Australia. Australia's capital is Canberra and its currency is Australian dollar. Next country is Austria. Austria's capital is Vienna and its currency is euro. Next country is Bangladesh. Bangladesh capital is Dhaka and its currency is Taka. Next country is Belarus. Belarus capital is Minsk and its currency is ruble. Our next country is Belgium. Belgium's capital is Brussels and its currency is euro. Next country is Bhutan. Bhutan's capital is Thimphu and its currency is Negaltrum. Next country is Brazil. Brazil's capital is Brasilia and its currency is Cruzeiro Real. Next country is Cambodia. Cambodia's capital is Real and its currency is Phnom Penh. Next our country is Canada. Canada's capital is Ottawa and its currency is Canadian dollar. Next country is Chile. Chile's capital is Santiago and its currency is peso. Our next country is China and China's capital is Beijing and its currency is yuan. Our next country is Colombia. Colombia's capital is Bogota and its currency is Colombian peso. Our next country is Denmark and Denmark capital is Copenhagen and its currency is krone. Our next country is Egypt and Egypt's capital is Cairo and its currency is Egyptian pound. Our next country is France and its capital is Paris and its currency is francs or euro. Our next country is Germany and Germany's capital is Berlin and its currency is euro. Next country is Greece. Greece capital is Athens and its currency is euro. Next country is Hungary. Hungary capital is Budapest and its currency is forint. Next country is India. India's capital is New Delhi and its currency is rupee. Next our country is Indonesia. Indonesia's capital is Jakarta and its currency is rupiah. Next country is Iran. Iran's capital is Tehran and its currency is rial. Next our country is Iraq and its capital is Baghdad and its currency is dinar. Next our country is Ireland. Ireland's capital is Dublin and its currency is euro. Next our country is Israel. Israel's capital is Jerusalem and its currency is shekel. Next our country is Italy. Italy's capital is Rome and its currency is euro. Next our country is Japan. Japan's capital is Tokyo and its currency is yen. Next our country is Kazakhstan and its capital is Nur Sultan and its currency is tenge. Next our country is Kenya. Kenya's capital is Nairobi and its currency is shilling. Next our country is North Korea and its capital is Pyongyang and its currency is won. Next our country is Kuwait. Kuwait's capital is Kuwait City and its currency is Kuwait dinar. Next our country is South Korea and its capital is Seoul and its currency is won. Next our country is Libya. Libya's capital is Tripoli and its currency is Libyan dinar. Next is Malaysia. Malaysia's capital is Kuala Lumpur and its currency is ringgit. Next our country is Maldives and its capital is Male and its currency is rupiah. Next our country is Mauritius. Mauritius capital is Port Louis and its currency is rupee. Next country is Mongolia. Mongolia's capital is Ulaanbaatar and its currency is Tughrik. Next our country is Montenegro and its capital is Podgorica and its currency is euro. Next our country is Myanmar. Myanmar's capital is Naypyidaw and its currency is Kuwait. Next country is Namibia. Namibia's capital is Windhoek and its currency is Namibian dollar. Next country is Nepal. Nepal's capital is Kathmandu and its currency is Nepalese rupee. Next our country is Netherlands. Netherlands' capital is Amsterdam and its currency is euro. Our next country is New Zealand. New Zealand's capital is Wellington and its currency is New Zealand dollar. Next country is Nigeria. Nigeria's capital is Abuja and its currency is Naira. Next country is Norway. Norway's capital is Oslo and its currency is Kron. Next our country is Pakistan. Pakistan's capital is Islamabad and its currency is rupee. Next our country is Philippines. Philippines capital is Manila and its currency is peso. Next our country is Poland. Poland's capital is Budapest and its currency is zloty. Next our country is Portugal. Portugal capital is Lisbon and its currency is Portugal euro. Next our country is Qatar. Qatar's capital is Doha and its currency is Riyal. Next our country is Russia. Russia's capital is Moscow and its currency is ruble. Next our country is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia's capital is Riyadh and its currency is Riyal. Next our country is Somalia. Somalia's capital is Mogadishu and its currency is Somali shilling. Next our country is Singapore. Singapore's capital is Singapore and its currency is dollar. Next country is South Africa. South Africa's capital is Pretoria and its currency is rand. Next our country is Spain. Spain's capital is Madrid and its currency is Spain euro. Next our country is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka's capital is Colombo and its currency is Sri Lankan rupee. Sri Lanka is also called as Ceylon. Next our country is Sudan. Sudan's capital is Khartoum and its currency is Sudanese pound. Next our country is South Sudan and its capital is Juba and its currency is South Sudanese pound. Next our country is Sweden. Sweden's capital is Stockholm and its currency is krona. Next our country is Switzerland and its capital is Bern and its currency is Swiss franc. Next country is Taiwan. Taiwan's capital is Taipei and its currency is New Taiwan dollar. Next country is Thailand. Thailand's capital is Bangkok and its currency is baht. Next country is Turkey. Turkey's capital is Ankara and its currency is lira. Next country is Uganda. Uganda's capital is Kampala and its currency is Uganda shilling. Our next country is Ukraine and its capital is Kyiv and its currency is hryvnia. Next our country is United Kingdom. United Kingdom's capital is London and its currency is pound sterling. Next our country is United States. United States capital is Washington DC and its currency is US dollar. Our next country is Venezuela and its capital is Caracas and its currency is Bolivar. And our last country is Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe's capital is Harare and its currency is US dollar. Thank you everyone. I hope you clearly understand the countries, their capitals and their currencies. So learn, practice and revise them. And if you found our efforts helpful, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Have a nice day and thank you so much for watching.